Check this out. Windows roll down and windows roll up. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now let me show you how I did it. As you guys can see here, I will be using VCDS to enable this feature. Now originally the Q5 did not come with this feature enabled from factory, otherwise it would have an additional selection in this specific menu that says something along the lines of Windows Control that would allow you to choose which windows to control via the KEYFOB remote. So after we program or enable this feature on the Q5, I will show you where that extra selection is. So let's just jump right into it and get this feature enabled. Plug the dongle into the OBD2 port. Plug the USB side into your laptop. Turn your car on. Open up the VCDS program. Go to Select Control Module. Go to 46 Central Convenience. Let it load. Go to coding-07. This is the original coding. Always save that. What I usually do is I'll just take a little snippet and save an image of that. Save. Now go to long coding helper. This window will pop up. Go to byte 2 by clicking this up button right here. 1, 2. And all you do is gotta make sure that this box here is checked. Byte 2. Now exit out. Hit do it. Coding accepted. Hit OK. And now the feature should be enabled. So go ahead and close controller, go back, exit, and now let's double check if these windows are open. And also let me show you the new little selection in that specific menu on the MMI. If you are finding this video to be helpful so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay updated for more videos like these. Thanks. Now let's check to see if those windows work. Here's the extra selection that I was mentioning earlier in the video. It says here, long press to open windows. A reminder that it's in the central locking menu from the main menu. And let me show you how you get there. So let's go all the way back. This is the main menu. Go to car, go to vehicle settings, go to central locking, and that's where you will find the Windows selection. Now let's go into that selection and choose the windows we want to open and double check that this specific feature works. So long press to open windows. I'm going to turn the front on and the rear window on and just leave the roof off. Now let's double check to see this works. Turn off the car. All right, so press and hold unlock to open windows. And press and hold lock to close windows. Nice. If you guys have any further questions about the procedure, just comment it down below and I'll try my best to help you guys out. Now, if you guys missed a video where I did the brakes on the Q5, make sure you guys go and check it out right here. And also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.